Hello, welcome to another video from the Cool Tech channel. Today I have some different video for you. This is the unboxing of the DJI Mini 2 drone. It's a little different for me as I'm coming from the FPV drones, which are mostly assembled by purchasing various parts and putting them all together. So this is my first camera drone. I bought it with my own money, so this is a honest unboxing. By the way, if you like our channel, please subscribe and press the notification icon to get notified on future videos which we will make. It means a lot to us, and also let us know what you think in the comment section below. So this is the Fly More combo. It should come with 3 batteries, a bag, charger and spare props. So let's see what we have inside. This is brand new. I'm opening this just now with you together, so I have no idea what's coming inside. Let's pull it out. Okay, this is all in the box. We don't need this anymore. Okay, let's see what we have here. This is nice rubber-like cloth bag. Let's open up and see what we have inside. I guess there will be much more stickers and all kind of notes and warnings. Let's see what we have here. Okay, so we have the joysticks for the remote. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 props, small screwdriver. Okay, this is all in here. Let's see what we have here. This is the remote. Let's put everything on the table and go over it one by one. What's this? This is the documentation, I guess. We'll go over it. This is probably the charger and the batteries. Silica gel bag. And this is the drone itself. It's so tiny. Foam. Okay, this is all in here, and you have here a little pocket which is empty. Okay, let's put the bag aside. Let's see what we have here. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Like I said, we have here 3 pairs of props. It says which is which. Little screwdriver and the joysticks for the remote. Okay, let's start with the least interesting, the documentation. What do we have here? A little sticker. What do we have here? Quick start guide. Subscribe for more information. Okay. 2-way charging hub instructions. What's this? French. I don't speak French. And the safety guidelines. Okay. Okay, let's put this aside. Let's see what we have here. Accessories. Interesting. So we have here, these are the cables to connect your remote to your phone. There's 2-way USB-C and USB-C and micro USB. What about iOS? Interesting. Okay. USB Type A to USB Type C cable. This is the charger. Let's open it up. Okay, with 2 batteries inside, 1 and 2. Okay, what more? And this is the power brick. How many amperes? It has power delivery, so it's 5 volts 3 amps, 9 volts 2 amps, and 12 volts 1.5 ampere. Okay, let's see what we have here. That's it. This is empty. Okay, let's put it aside and see what we have in the remote controller. Nice. Feels solid. Okay, don't need this. Okay, so what you have in the accessory is the spare, because you have 2 sticks here inside. USB Type C charging port. You have here rubber grip. Feels nice. This is the phone holder and the antenna. Okay. Cool. Here you take out the joysticks, screw them inside. Nice. Here you have the power button, the flight mode, which is sport, normal, or cinematic, return to home and pause button. I need to check what this button is. Function button. Here you have the zoom dial, start recording, take picture button, and that's it for the buttons. Okay, nice. Okay, so this is the drone. There's a million stickers in here. I need to take them all. Okay, this is the gimbal protector. Let's see how you take this out. Okay, like this. There's also a sticker here. Needs to hold the props. Okay. So let's see. To take this off. Okay. Now this one is first. Like this. 1, 2, and then this you need to rotate like this. Okay, look how small it is compared to 200mm drone. Let's see it side by side. And when you fold it, it's even smaller. This is when it's folded. It's like my hand. Okay, so this is first, and then the back arms like this. Okay, let's take out all the stickers. This one, this one. This is the battery. Okay, on the back we have Type-C charging port and SD card slot. This is the power button, I guess. And you open up the battery and take it out. The battery weighs almost heavier than the drone itself. Amazing piece of technology. Like this. Okay, another sticker. Let's see if we got them all. Yes. And the last one, which protects the gimbal. Oh. Okay, and also here you have stickers. Let's see. And this is the gimbal. This is the gimbal protector. Put it like this when you store it, so the camera is protected. Okay. As far as sensors go, you only have the downwards sensors for the height, and in the front there is no sensor. It's only holes in the plastic. And you have here a LED. That's it. There's a power button in the bottom. Short press. Okay, I need to charge the battery. Let's take the battery out and put it to charge. Ooh. Okay. Let's see. Now you have all three batteries. Here, by the way, you have USB out, so you can use this as a power bank and charge your phone, accessories, even the drone itself. Here you have power button. Doesn't show anything. Okay, let's charge it as first use, and then we'll see. I just wanted to test the weight of the drone, and on my scale, which I'm not sure how accurate it is, it's 237 grams, so it's even less. And by the way, it's with the battery, of course. So that's it for the unboxing, guys. Thank you for joining me in this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I will probably make a video about how to set the drone up for first use and first flight videos and my experience. So make sure to press the notification icon to not miss any future video from us. And thank you for joining. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one.